Good morning from Ocean View Beach, Norfolk, Virginia, or what we affectionately call the OV here in southeastern Virginia. It's kind of a crazy morning, cloudy, no rain, thankfully, but we've had a tropical storm south of us that kind of is going west of us now. So a lot of clouds, which means not a lot of people here on the beach this morning. And I've got something I really am excited about. I've got an old radio that's new to me. This is the Xiegu X108G. This radio was introduced about 10 years ago, somewhere around 2015. And it's a 20-watt radio, so this came before the G90. Everything you look back 10 years ago on the internet and the way back or what have you, very good. A lot of people love this thing. A really popular radio. Got really good reviews. Not a lot of them made, though. They're hard to find. I found this one on eBay. This is the outdoor version here. And mine was made in 2018. So what do we got? About a 7-year-old radio here. And 20 watts and very simple. So I want to plug this thing in today and hook it up. And let's just see if we can make a morning beach contact with an old radio that looks pretty cool. I mean, the beginning of Xiegu right here. Let's give it a shot. Stick around. Okay, let's take a look at today's setup. There's the Xiegu X108G on my blue bucket there, powering it with a just a little small 6 amp hour 12.8 volt battery, LiPo 4 battery. That's the same battery I use with my G90. Short piece, about a 5-meter long piece of coax. I'm using the Red Slug telescopic vertical. So I really like this little antenna. What's really funny, kind of set it up, hooked up the rig expert to it, and boom, I knew exactly where to put it from the last time I used it. Just did well. Difference this time though is that I am using the little radial plate, the JPC12 radial plate with 4 wires, 4 counterpoise wires, as you can see, kind of 2 of them out towards the water and 2 up here on the beach. There you go. That is the Chesapeake Bay right there. If you look out in that direction, that is the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. So on the other side of that bridge, there is the Atlantic Ocean. So here we go, here at Ocean View Beach. Let's have a little fun and get on the air and see if we can make some contacts. Now, conditions today, hey, we just went through a little bit of a issue last night. I think we're coming out of a little bit of a disturbance there with the sun, but I'm gonna sit here in my lawn chair and see if I can make contact there with my new little Xiegu. Let's have some fun. And what you're seeing here, that's the camera. The screen looks absolutely perfect. It's a shame it's not coming through on the camera. 20-meter band is just starting to wake up. Let's see if we can make some contacts here on 20. One quick thing I want to talk about with counterpoise wires is salt water. This right here is perfect. That's what I strive for every time. I want to be soaked in the wet sand right next to it. It's not about being in the water. So many people say I want to drop a line into the water, kissing it just like that. That right there, friends, is the perfect, for me, the perfect ground plane setup. The way these wires are just like embedded right in the sand. They're not washed up. And wow, what a great morning for as far as laying down the lines, man. That's what it's all about right there. I kind of get some discussion about dropping it down in the water or whatever. It's the surface, it's the ground plane. Right there, friends, is the perfect setup for me for sure.
Okay, roger that, Kilo 4, Oscar Go Oscar, 20 watts. I got you about 5. Your P205, 3 to 5, 5. I'm staying on the beach in Virginia, but I'm sure the sunshine out there. Stay cool, and thanks for making the contact with us there. Back to you.
Yeah, it's a cloudy day, but hey, I'm sitting on the beach and not working today, so I'm enjoying it as well. Band's been kind of not too great, but you guys are just about everyone there with you guys are all like 5.8, 5.9. Really good signal here into Virginia this morning.
Okay, roger. Hey, Wolf, is that you?
That's me.
Hey, man, nice to meet you there. Okay, yeah, Coastal Lands there, yeah. Enjoy your videos there, my friend there, roger.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I did it this morning, and I just figured I'd get up and go down to the beach and play a little radio Got an old radio, X108G. It's an old Xiegu 20-watt radio. First time I've ever used it, and I figured I'd come down here and see if it worked. Hey, it's working because you guys sound great.
Okay, roger that. Well, we got some other VP9 stations there, and I do a lot of power from the air as well there. I do a lot of power from the air from Bermuda, so I may go out there today and see what happens there. But nice to speak with you, Walt. We got VP9NR and VP9ID on the net. I'm going to pass it back to you, Paul. VP9NN from VP9NR. Roger that. K4 Oscar Golf Oscar. How copy? Victor Papa 9 November.
Excellent, excellent signal. 5959 here on the beach in Virginia there, my friend.
Roger that. I'm another YouTube viewer. I've got an addiction. I watch too much YouTube, and I watched a lot of your coastal waves there, Roger.
Oh, thank you so much. You guys are making me blush. I'm sitting here on the beach, man. It's wonderful. Thank you so much. It's good to know that that you guys are watching me there in Bermuda.
Yeah, we're out here in Bermuda every morning on 283. You can find us there most mornings. But okay, I won't hold it. We got VP9IV, India Victor, and Victor Papa 9, India Delta, the net control standing by. I don't know if they've got a signal on you. Signals are not too good this morning. But I got you on the long wire and on the NFET half wave coming in here fairly good. Top of the day, take care. K4 Oscar Golf Oscar Walt. This is Victor Papa 9 November Paul. Back to net control after your final, Roger?
Roger. Thank you so much for the wonderful contact there. I'll try to catch you guys more often here in the morning for sure. 73, my friend.
73. Good morning to you, Walt. K4OGO from VP9 India Delta. Yeah, okay, hang on a second. Sorry, it said something to me, man, I got lost. Anyway, good to hear you. I watch you all the time. I think I was one of the first ones that ever caught you on here, so good to hear you, and I hope you're copying Victor Papa 9 Italy Delta, over.
Yes, indeed. You're about a 5'7". So good to get you in the log here again. I think it's been a long time, but hey, thanks once again for watching the channel. And I'm enjoying here, just sitting on the beach talking to you guys this morning. Thank you so much for the contacts, my friend.
All right, very good. Well, you have a wonderful day, and real pleasure to hear you today. Victor, are you still with us, over? Roger, all the best, Walt, 73s.
Thank you so much, 73, my friend.
All right, Walt, you're 5'7" here also. Good 5'7" in Bermuda. From VP9ID, 73, have a great day.
You as well. Thank you so much, everybody there in Bermuda. All the best. Have a great day.
Very impressive. A lot of 100-watt stations can't make it through in these conditions, but from the beach, you got that 20 watts working. Take care, Walt. VP9 and N Paul, 73.
73.
I've been looking for Walt for years. Keep going to different frequencies, and I never hear him. So that was great to have him check in there. Really good. Anyway, anybody else here want to jump in? Here's VP9ID.
Well, what a great morning. I mean, the band conditions were absolutely horrible, really bad. But it's so cool when you make contacts with just great guys like that. And I love like over to Bermuda. I know it's not like massive DX. I'm not talking to Australia or whatever. Those guys were great operators. I sat there and listened in on them for a while, and then got kind of broke into their net there. But great contacts. If you guys are watching, thank you so much. I want to check in with you guys more and more. I really do. I want to come over and see you guys. I want to operate from Bermuda and get me a VP license and go do it. I think I could get over there on the CEPT agreement maybe. Maybe I need to take a trip over and visit. But anyway, what a great morning. The antenna, one of the things, I tuned over to the 40 meter band, and 40 meters sounded great. There were contacts there. The problem is I made the wrong decision with this antenna because 20 through the other way, 20, 17, 15, 12, and 10 is about all that antenna will do. I'll probably bring it down to 6 if I wanted to, but it's a quarter wave, and that's all it is. I probably should have brought down something with a coil and would have had a better morning that way. But all in all, man, it doesn't matter. I'm on the beach. It's a cloudy day, so there's not a lot of people out here. There's a nice breeze right now. We do have the remnants of a tropical storm west of us. It's going around. It's going to rain later today, but who cares? I love being on the beach and operating. I love the radio. I love it. I'm over here reaching for it here. I'm going to bring it over. I still have it hooked up. But there you go, man. That was fun. What a great radio for its time. And even for now, I will get back out here with this again. I tell you what, as I disconnected here, I can hold it up for you. Very small, lightweight, and other than not having an ATU, which who cares? I'm using a resonant antenna. I love it. I love 20 watts. 20 watts is, to me, is the perfect power. That's why I bought this thing. That I'm sentimental with Xiegu radios. I wanted to add it to my collection and just have it as a piece of history for the company and for the radios itself. All right. I think I've talked enough. I'm ready to go get some breakfast. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Just in time, too. It looks like it's about to start raining. Carla's Beach House. Let's hop in here and try some breakfast. And I'm sitting at the bar and I ordered shrimp and grits, of course. You guys know me. I love shrimp and grits. Let's get at it here and I'll tell you how good they are. And this is absolutely awesome. A great spin on shrimp and grits. Kind of spicy, got a nice little spice to it, and man, just amazing. Let me get at it here and finish this, and then we'll talk. Oh yeah, 5-star morning. What a great breakfast. The shrimp and grits were great. A little different than some of the others I've had. That had a lot of pepper in it, chopped pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and it kind of added to it and gave it almost a Southwest flavor. Very good though, and I really enjoyed that. That was an excellent breakfast. Great morning on the beach. I tell you what, bad conditions were less than perfect. They were not good at all. But still to come out and make some great contacts and really talk to some cool people on the radio. That's really what ham radio is all about. It's just finally making contact with people that are just awesome, like-minded, and just great people. And I said it earlier, man, I want to go to Bermuda now. Those guys were so cool. And really, I enjoyed that. That was, to me, regardless of bad conditions, that was a 5-star morning on the beach there for sure. Anyway, if you're into portable ham radio, low power, cheap radios, I like cheap radios, just having some fun and building antennas, then please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.